Have you ever had that one friend who always brags about, bro, I make money while I sleep or with my eyes closed? Even I did too. I used to say, okay, cool, bro. But nowadays I ask him, oh, so do you even drive your bike or a car with your eyes closed? Myself, Pavan, I've spent enormous number of time at night at 2 a.m. watching at the charts to tell you that there is better way to lose your sleep rather than looking at charts all night.
Namaskar, I'm Hemant. If you ever opened your trading app for just 5 minutes and ended up with 10 tabs, 3 random charts, and suddenly very thirsty, trust me, you are in a good company. So, today we are ripping apart the trading myths like the wrapping on a Diwali gift. This is not from the textbooks, it's from those ouch moments in real life.
So yeah, before we continue with the video, I would just like to lay out some ground rules or quick rules you can say. Nothing we say here is advice. Everything is just stories or experience that we are sharing as a friends or analysts or colleagues. Learning and a splash of oh, don't try this at home. So make sure to remember that throughout the video.
Yes. And this is a chat, not a lecture, guys. So drop the wildest trading claim you ever heard in the comment box. So maybe we will roast it next time. No shaming. Well, not much anyway. We need your feedbacks. We need your comments and all your fears, your mates, and all things because we are here to support you and help you. So I think let's move to Pawan back and let's start, bro.
Yeah, so are you ready for the myth that tempts more people than the cheap pizza? Are you ready to dive into it?
The one that smells like lazy Sunday, but tastes
Yeah.
like the burnt toast.
If you have ever felt that trading is like a vacation, trust me when I say this, you're about to get a rude awakening because come on, it's trading. It's not like you're in some vacation or in some holiday.
It's true. This is like a therapy, basically. Except nobody cries over candles. So, guys, be ready. Let's fly. So, we are going to discuss about the myths today because this conversation or podcast it's about the same. So, there is a myth which is called trading is passive income. Seriously? So, let's get real. Passive income sounds like money you get for waking up, you know, like rent you collect or dividends from the child funds or kind of the pocket money which you are getting on your childhood or some relatives comes on your house and they give some kind of bribes to you
Free
or
money,
which
free
is kind
money.
of blessings, that is called the
Yeah.
passive income. So basically we need to understand the difference in between active income and passive income. What do you say?
Yeah, I mean, it does sound very easy till you realize that trading wants all your attention. I even once tried doing that. I was in Goa, sitting in front of the beach, chilling, getting some tan, trying to get some tan, not getting some. So I thought, okay, let me do some trades. You know, I had beach in front of me, I had coconut water, I had my phone in one hand. I thought I was very sleek, but I had no alerts on, no plans, no clue. I don't know how long the move should
So
take.
did you at least get a 10?
No, as I said, I was trying to get a turn, but instead I just got burned. My trade expired before the market even blinked. Then I panicked and added another one, as we have already done in the past. Being an inexperienced trader in the past, we have you also know, you might have also done it before. I have also done it before. We open a trade. If the trade is not going according to the plan or according to the direction, we open another one, right, in the opposite direction, thinking that that might work out. Nope. My trade expired before the market even blinked. Then I panicked and added another one. While a guy tried to sell me sunglasses. So by the time the price finally moved, my trades were gone. The lesson that I learned that specific day is that, if I'm not at my desk, I don't trade anymore.
Honestly, sunglasses, sunscreens handle the sun better than the half baked trading plan.
I can't deny it. Come on, it's completely true. What you're saying is that, after that, my fix was very simple. Prepare before trading, get yourself prepared, no loud alerts, and a single rule. If I'm at the beach, the only trade I make is for coconut water and not on the chart.
I tried trading while making a pasta once.
Very
So
interesting. Okay,
placed
okay.
yep, absolutely, absolutely. You will love it. So I placed the smart trade, turned my back to stir sauce, and missed everything. So this has happened. Now I can't watch the full countdown. I don't trade. Pasta first, market later.
Cooking and trading don't miss Kevin bhai. Unless
I
you
am so
want your
sorry.
PNL as a, El Dante, as your noodles to the dinner. I mean, come
Absolutely.
on. If you're trading on an autopilot, expect a crash landing. Obviously, autopilot is not always the best thing to do, at least while doing trading.
I mean, yeah. How much I did Saturn forgot. You know, work we works for the toaster, not your trades. Saturn forgot. It's absolutely the cooking and trading. It's a absolutely similar thing. Either you need to do cooking or either you need to do trading. You
Yep.
need to choose one.
Yes, yes. And
Okay.
also chatting while doing trade, also, or in the middle of a trade, come on, it's not it is not going to help you out, because the chat will stop listening first, even faster than the person you're actually trying to talk to.
Actually, the problem is that we wanted to. The situation is like we want the chart can move according to us,
Yeah.
and the truth is, we need to work according to the chart.
Yeah, exactly, yes.
That's the problem. That's the actually key problem. We are trying to move the chart and the asset according to us. Okay, gold is going too much high. Everyone is going to sell the gold now, and gold is from in 2 years from $1,900 to 4,300 nearby dollars per 30 gram or per ounce. Ani, see, and everyone till here from the 2002 till now, everyone is selling, selling, selling. And however, there is some other reasons also. Let's not go to discuss with the fundamental things. We are stay with the our myths situation. So let's stick with stay with our myths. Let's not go further anywhere. So there is another myth. Myth is like just guess the direction. You know, people love saying that I knew it would go up. I knew it would go down.
The
I am
classic,
sure.
yeah.
Yeah, you remember that we try to you know make chart go according to us. This is the thing.
Yeah, I do
I would
remember, yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I would say okay, sure, sure. But if your timer ends before it moves, what is the use of that? I mean, people are doing like okay, if they are not doing trading, I knew it will go. If I would go open trades and now I'm sure it's go down. Absolutely sure, 100%. Yes, and then suddenly things are changed. But maximum time, whenever we are watching the chart, we believe in this myth that I know the chart, I know the market.
Yeah, I mean, I have also been there, I've also done that. I got that right direction, and picked a tiny timer to look smart. you know Price didn't care. Even if I'm smart, price doesn't care about who you are or how smart you are. Ding! That was the sound I heard. Trade was over. Boom! Price takes off.
So, ding to boom.
Yeah.
The market loves showing up late, but never on your schedule. Please, come on. Be with the market situation. Just know the condition. Know some as you know some economic situation and condition, and go with the flow. Basically, go with the flow.
Yeah, I
Yep.
mean, now what I do is that if the market is very lazy, I either pick more time or I just wait. Even if it's the right direction or wrong timing. My speciality is that don't start a race if the chart's still napping. Calm down, take a chill pill, wait for it to wake up, and then trade.
Perfectly said. You know, I once jumped into the tiny bounce. Price just wriggled till my timer died. Now
Mhm.
I only act if the move's happening, not if I wanted it to. So wishing doesn't beat the clock. This is for sure. Nobody's having time machine.
Yeah,
So if I'm early, I wait. If I'm late, I wait. I do a lot of waiting. What is the meaning of waiting? Patience. And
patience. Yeah,
around the world, every granny, nanny, grandpa, nana, father, mother, they teach us, they taught us from our childhood, and now we are doing the same with to our kids. Patience is the key of success. You know, in India,
exactly.
we called in India we called in Hindi, "Thandi karke khao."
True.
That's the key things. That's the key
Exactly.
things.
Exactly. Exactly. So talking about the same thing, I think I would like to, I would like to take over the next myth. This is one of my favorite myths actually that I face on a daily basis with my traders or with our traders. There's a perfect strategy. Come on. Everyone chasing that one single setup that wins forever. Even I did too. I actually found a perfect one. It actually crushed. It was the best thing for a month. And then sideways. Market hit like a meteor. It was like playing chess on ice.
Yeah, Pavan. Same. Sure. My slide show of bad trades was legendary. Bad taste loved me. Live trades didn't. But ding at a time. Same like yours.
Yeah, I mean, now what I do is that I keep a sticky notes beside me or next to my computer or laptop. What I use the plan only when things are moving. I have a backup always. I urge everyone to have this. Always have a backup plan for slow days. Not begging the market to behave. Market doesn't behave how you want. You have to behave how market is going.
True.
And also, if the chart's quiet, don't yell with a fast trade. Don't suddenly open a trade. Stacking trades, it's like clapping louder for a bad joke. It's very humiliating, embarrassing. Don't do that.
New rule. Three losses in a row. Pause. Check if I'm out of tune, and I keep a cheat card. What setup needs, when not to use, and the timer it likes. I mean, bro, screenshot don't pay your bills. Even not mine, I can't. It's not going to pay your bills. We need to pay our bills from our own efforts. So just focus.
It's true, true, true. I mean, come on. Screenshot doesn't pay anyone's bills. We have been there. We have seen that. We have done it. That is where our next myth leads us to. Successful. After the successful word, there is actual another 3 to 4 words which says successful traders trade every day. I mean,
Oh,
we have seen or heard this on a daily basis from traders, questions from them saying that, sir, does being successful in trading needs for us to trade every single day? Actually, some people think that real traders must click daily. But guess what? Market doesn't give awards to attendance.
I mean, yeah, right. Some days you are just hamster wheeling, busy and proactive.
Yeah. I did try, daily trading once in the back in the day. The okay days actually erased my great trading days. So now what I do or what I ask is that would I take this trade if nobody knew? Most days I'll just skip it. I don't trade it anymore. And also, see, to be honest, it actually looks really good in a journal, but skipping boring trades wins more than doing any trades and making losses. The market pays for smart traders, not for the busy ones.
So yeah, Friday used to wreck me. Smell ups, smell downs, then panic trading to fix the week. Sometimes you know what happened that people are just open trades 3, 4, 5 days. Everyday trading situation like Sunday, Sunday to Saturday, morning to evening, 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. Seriously, I saw this kind of situations over here as well. But sudden thing is that you should not. You can take your time and you can give some time to trading, not for every day. Because sometimes what happens
Yeah.
3, 4, 5 days we are getting profitability, and one bad day can take all your profits as well as the your balance as well, actual balance which you put from your own pocket. So now the situation is be like now sorry. So the situation is be like now I have three green lights. If price is it moving, if I am not focused, or if setup is unclear. Whatever the three lines are there, I don't trade. The best trade sometimes is what? Just close the laptop or close the phone. Just close the application. Not I'm that said not log out, not just uninstall. Just close the application. Expend your time with your family, kids, friends, girlfriend. I'm so sorry, girlfriend, and whatever you like. You drink your tea, coffee, whatever. Just because the breaks are very needed.
Yep.
The
True.
situation is be like if my head's not in it, the market send the bill, and if we are getting the bill, then we need to pay.
You know what? There's another myth that we are going to talk about right now. But this specific myth, I would like to, I would like you to start. The myth is that the more indicators, the better. Like, how would you like to start about it, Hemant sir?
Yeah, it's a very problematic thing. Seriously, if one indicator helps, five should be magic, right?
uh, for us,
No,
no.
absolutely wrong. Suddenly it's Diwali on your chart. Yeah, the simple thing is this: there is some certain thing which is working separately. Like if Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli or Messi just playing football there on the ground, sorry, they are different peoples, no? Someone is cricketer, someone is footballer. So okay, the Messi is playing football and he's on his peak, and suddenly a person comes to his way and say, "Bro, I think you shouldn't be the striker. You should be on the defender." Seriously, and there is 3, 4, 5 strikers. Every team having there is different condition. There is two openers, middle class batsmen, defenders, like every team. So the chart should be not fulfilled with many things, because I also have some experience like this when traders are coming and then I'm asking, sir, what kind of charts, what kind of indicators and strategies you are doing. I'm using this, I'm using that, is this that. So there is a small, chart I can see with the candles, and the other all things are fulfilled with like Diwali garlands and all things. Please don't trust the things. Just practice with one indicator, two indicator strategies. We have many strategies. One by one, you need to do practice, because you don't know how they are working. What is the way of the strategy? Because to open trade by using the indicator is a different thing, and to open trade properly by the using indicator and strategy is another thing, and that's the perfect thing.
Early on, even my chats needed a map, to be honest. So, there were so many lines, all were arguing with each other. So, I did try to take to both sides, but I lost both.
I built a six indicator super machine, back tested, abroad it. Live trading, chaos, total chaos. Now it's the kitchen rule: max three ingredients or confusion.
Looks like you're back to making pasta. Even now, I ask myself if does this tool tell you anything new beyond than price. If not, then it goes out. I don't want it anymore. My chart's chill now, simple and stress free. I mean, if you need a legend for your chart, go on a diet.
Yeah, research needs layers and trading needs scissors.
Yeah, I mean, price is the hero. Indicators are just the sidekicks. They're just there to give you possibilities. That's it. I think we'll go to the next point, or I think we are almost at the end of the video or the session. I'd like to talk a little bit about the myths that got us, me or you, or anything. I'll let me start with it. The biggest myth that got me was that real traders always work. As I said, real traders trade daily. I thought more screen time is means more winning, but no, I was so wrong that. Now I ask, would I still take this trade if no one was watching? Obviously, no.
Okay, mine was if my system's are smart, nothing can go wrong. I let colorful signals decide for me. Now, if I can't explain my trade in plain words, I wait. This is the
Yes,
simple theory.
yes. I don't have FOMO now. I don't have fear of missing out. But in the same place, I have a FOBO. That means fear of being ordinary. I think of, okay, if I'm ordinary, what I'll do? You know?
If your age needs you to be a superhuman, it's not an age. It's a bedtime story. Trust me.
Exactly. So, with that, I would like to say if this felt too real for you guys, then I would like to welcome you to the club. Myths are just shortcuts that we think were true in real life, and trading is basically it's part work, it's part patient, it's part being honest with yourself. So, what do you like to say, Hemant bhai?
Well, I would like to add one more line
Little,
here.
little, little.
Trading
What's going
is
on?
the part of your life as well. Remember,
Exactly.
none of this is advice. Just the stories that might save someone's a headache. If it helps you skip even one bad trade, that's a win. Got a hot take? Drop it. Let's debate respectfully.
Yes, yes. And the next show, a journalizing, method that actually helps with the minus of the fluff. With that, I would like to say thank you so much for watching. I ask you to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and also share your weirdest myths in the comment down below. We always love to read your comments. And when the market is loud, go for a walk. Don't run. Go for a walk instead. Calm down.
And if you are a gym lover, then you can do some kind of push-ups, some bogging, jogging, jogging, walking kind of things.
Exactly,
Some kind
exactly.
of exercises that can also taking some stress from your mind of the trading, and it's also helpful for your health as well. So be smart for trading, be kind to yourself for trading, and don't forget to like our channel and subscribe to our channel. One more thing I would like to tell you guys. Last but not the least, if you want to earn, you need to learn, because learning is the most important thing for anything which we want in our life. So that's all for today. Thanks, Pavan. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much.
Namaskar.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.